She tries to hold me back.
I think so.
No.
No.
Got them apple bottom jeans with the boots.
So,
Ooh.
the next...
You're not ready for that? Excuse me, I'll take it from here.
So we are here for Pizza 2.0. Are you ready?
Never been more ready in my life.
We are here for Pizza 2.0. Obviously, you know, I'm the serious one. He's the not serious one.
Look at the cute little bow. Back to you guys.
This is the pizza dough we made earlier that has risen so nicely. So we are getting...
Is that sourdough?
This is pizza dough. So we are getting in the holiday spirit, the Christmas holiday spirit, and we are going to make Christmas tree pizzas. All right, so this is going to be require a little dexterity. Do you feel you have that?
I don't even know what that word means.
Outside of running, do you think you can, or jumping, or whatever it is?
You almost got it.
Well, you have to run and then jump.
Yeah, I wanted to be disrespected until you choked on it.
But I got it. I knew what I was saying. Okay, so to do that, you have a recipe that we already made that will be in our in the information of how to get our pizza dough done. We have a few toppings here we'll talk about as we decorate our Christmas tree. But first thing we're going to do is make our Christmas tree. Okay, so how we're going to do that, Norris?
Do this, yeah.
Okay. So we're going to take out our dough. I'm going to put it in between us so we can share.
We don't need no flour?
No, I don't think so. Okay, so what we're going to do, and this might be easier if I get a little bench cutter. Here.
A little bench cutter.
Okay, because we want this to be, we want to make somewhat even circles, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pizza dough and we're going to form it into balls, okay? So you want it to kind of be a nice shaped ball, okay? So we're going to we have lined our sheet pan with parchment paper so it won't stick.
I know some of those words.
Okay, and we're going to put a row of 6, a row of 5, a row of 4, a row of 3, a row of 2, and a row of 1. Can you do that?
Never been.
All right.
This is my.
Let me see.
You get your own.
All right.
Thank you.
Do. I'm just going to pull it. You might have to cut it, but go ahead. And if you need flour, I'll get you some. But we're going to work on this and see you when we're done. Ah! We're focused. Don't spank things. You're being suggestive. All right. When you see, I think you'll know who the professional is and who's the master and who's the student. So we have our Christmas tree. Now, keep in mind, if you do this as a project with children, you probably can skip making the pizza dough and you can buy pizza dough. Obviously, we've shown you that pizza dough is very easy to make, but this is a fun activity for kids. So you ready for the next step?
Let's do this.
Okay. So we have some olive oil. And I did have a couple brushes.
Have you been blessed by a rabbi?
Where's the other? Did you have a brush?
You never gave me one.
I didn't.
So look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. As much as I like cooking with Miss Frogleg, she tries to hold me back.
All right.
Know what I'm saying?
Here we go. So we're going to brush this with some olive oil. A nice generous amount, Norris. Norris, yes, you look gorgeous. Okay, so try to, yes, brush and make sure each one gets coated, okay? Nice and coated. It's going to be delicious. It's going to cook up perfectly. This is such a fun treat for kids to do all December long. You can actually challenge them and have them do a snowman or have them do a wreath. So there's a million things you can do with pizza dough to make it fun for kids. I'm just saying. I think you and I are having fun and you're just a big kid. I'm just a normal kid, right?
Tell us something we don't know about you. That's amazing. So listen, about my weekend.
What?
That was weird.
What do you don't know about me? I rescue a lot of dogs. That's one thing.
Very true. Very true.
I have way too many dogs.
Very true.
Tell us something about you.
I'm an Aquarius.
February? What day in February?
17th.
The 17th.
It's my half birthday.
That is, Shelby's birthday is February 9th.
I knew I liked her.
She's an Aquarius too. Okay, so now we're gonna take our lovely Italian seasoning and we're going to sprinkle it generously, but not too generous, not too glumpy, not too overpowered. Okay, so we're gonna make it look.
You cannot teach this. You just gotta have
We're gonna make it look like a pine tree. If you want to actually make it look green, you could use a pesto sauce on here. We're gonna stick with the traditional marinara.
I think something's wrong with me.
So we're
I think I'm shedding.
We're gonna use a normal marinara. So
I'm scared.
Norris, don't be scared. So now, okay, you want to not get it. You want to keep it on
the Christmas
You
tree.
want to leave a little bit of a ledge, a little bit of an edge, so that it looks nice. Okay, so we're going for looks here. We're going for look. I'm ignoring him. I'm going to keep going.
Where's the ladle?
No ladle. No, I took the ladle away. I did. I removed the ladle because, okay, so we're gonna cover this and you see, yeah. But you wanna smear it. You wanna smear it on a little bit. This is where, yeah.
This is where a ladle would come in.
This is where you wanna have just enough but not too much, okay? If that makes sense. Okay?
Ooh, get over here.
So there you go. Just enough, but not too much. There's elegance in not overdoing things. Maybe that might be a good lesson for you. Elegance in not overdoing.
For me personally, or like
Yeah.
for every just.
No, I think it is. I think for you personally.
It's just for me.
But for others. Oh, that actually looks good.
I
Okay.
literally know. Hey.
Wait, let me see. Where does it say success?
We're here.
Oh yeah, success. I like that.
Believe.
Believe.
Yeah. This one says, holla at your boy.
I want to get something.
Nah, you're not cut out for that.
A little baby.
You got little squirt guns. Okay?
Little squirt
You got little squirt guns. I don't make the rules here.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. This is looking a little harsh.
Okay.
Let me go on and hook him up. Excuse me.
Remember, we want it to,
Ooh. There we go.
Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle on some mozzarella. All right, so again, not too crazy. You wanna still keep the edge showing a little bit here, all right? There's, again, less is more. Less is more.
Wow.
That would be good words for you to live by.
Less
is more.
is not more.
Okay, so we have our cheese. Now we're going to make it look like a Christmas tree. Okay. Do you have a real tree or a fake tree?
I got a real tree. I'm a player.
Okay, good. All right, that's my boy. I knew I loved you.
Yes.
So we go.
My fault. I blacked out.
We go cut down our tree every year.
Same with me.
No, you don't.
I do.
I know you don't.
I'm gonna send you a photo next week.
All right.
I'm gonna be down there like this.
That's right.
I know. Did you see the form though?
All right. Okay. So now we're going to. I'm going to turn it this way, so hopefully you can see. So we're going to use the green.
Wait, hold on. Did you see that?
Yeah, you did it very nicely.
Thank you so much.
We're going to use the green as sort of the boughs, right? Like we're going to use it as the
Bowels.
the boughs, like the strings, on the tree. Like the lights.
I mean, it's cute, but like mine's gonna be better.
Okay, well, just do it. Just
Wait.
stop talking.
I can't do it upside down.
Okay, and just.
Oh no, that didn't.
Okay, that looks so cute. I love it.
Oh,
Okay,
mine looks like it has a question.
that looks good.
Thank you.
Okay.
That one looks like a Nike swoosh.
It does look like a Nike.
Nike, we're available. We're available.
All right. Okay, so we're going to decorate it with ornaments. Okay, so we have little mini pepperoni. Are these the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Yeah, I don't do pork though.
And we have little red peppers cut up. And we're going to save the black olives and the pineapple for something else. Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. So, but now you're gonna place them. They're gonna look like little ornaments. You're not gonna throw them on. You can add tomatoes. That's another really fun thing. You can put on any sort of topping you may want, but it's really fun to have things that sort of could resemble an ornament. So I'm going to put on a little red pepper, like little this. If you wanted to add more pineapple, that's a really fun one too, because it looks like lights, but we're going to save the pineapple for the star at the top.
Is this grass-fed?
This is grass-fed pepperoni.
Yes.
Exactly. All right. Have you caught up to me? All right.
Wait, what are you on now? Oh, you're doing the. Oh no, you're doing these.
Okay, that's it. That looks good. Oh yeah, you haven't done red pepper yet. All right. So again, you could actually turn this into a wreath. There's so many different things you can do, and this is one way. If your kids have any sort of knife skills, they can actually be the ones cutting everything. Like I said, it's a really fun, healthy activity.
I was gonna do a cornucopia.
And this could be a really nice appetizer to bring for a potluck. I think so.
No.
No, you don't like.
This is. All
right.
I'm not gonna do it now.
All right, I'm stopping him, and we're going to then take our pineapple and we're going to put it at the top like a star. Okay.
Oh.
Like a beacon. Okay. Make it look like a little bit of a star. Okay. And this will be the star at the top of the tree. Okay. Okay, Norris, Norris!
It's so good though.
All right. So while he's eating, I'm going to then, you can take your black olives and put them at the base to make it look like the tree trunk.
Due to religious beliefs, I can't use black olives.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Black olives are my favorite. I used to.
You really like black olives?
I really do. I used to as a kid.
My mom warned me about that.
I used to get, my mom would, I love them so, oh yeah, here. I love them so much, she would buy me the whole can with the big that you could put on your fingers and stick them all on and then eat them.
I haven't touched the olive in like 10 years.
Well, I think they're really delicious. Okay, I think my tree trunk looks really good. Did you, oh, you did this, wow.
I know.
Wow,
I know.
all right. So then we have 2 more pieces before we stick this in the oven.
Immediately when I'm done with this, I'm washing my hands.
Norris, no.
I can't have any fun on my birthday.
You can. So, because it's Christmas time, it's going to snow. So it's going to snow. Oh, it's going to snow a little. So we're going to sprinkle.
How you say his name again?
What?
Parmesan.
I would. A mind is a terrible thing to waste, and
so is a pizza.
We're proving that as we. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. And then at the very end, we're not going to put it on right now, but at the very end, we might want to put a little bit more Parmesan, but we're going to put a little bit of basil, but that's at the end because you don't want to put it in before or else it'll turn brown. Okay?
Wait,
so,
do you put on the tree trunk? Does this go on the trunk?
I don't think so.
Very well.
Look at how you're very symmetrical. Okay, so we're going to pop these in the oven. We'll be back. Okay, what did you learn from that?
From this?
Yeah, from the Christmas tree.
Listen, you're teaching me all the new hints and tricks.
I know. I think what I learned and what I appreciate is that you can do so many things with fun pizza dough.
So notice how she looked directly at me and said, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you back.
I appreciate you too, Norris.
Hey,
yes.
I don't get you another one.
I know, it is nice. Anyway, so yes, so that was really fun. Tell me about one of your favorite Christmas, like a good Christmas story. Like what's fun for you for Christmas? You said you go and cut down the tree. Do you really cut down your tree?
I literally do.
Do you really?
Yes.
Oh, on Bainbridge. Oh, okay.
But every year that I've gone, it's been like torrential downpour, muddy, and I ruin my clothes. Oh. And I don't want to say like I'm a fashionista.
Fashionista.
But like, you guys see it.
Yeah.
So typically I have to throw away my items afterwards. So.
You do? Okay. Well, that's legit. Okay, I'll give you that. I understand, Bainbridge Island. We can't wait to show you our Christmas pizza trees.
We need you guys in the comments to pick your favorite though.
That's right. Which one do you think looks better, is more appetizing? Is actually, is that the buzzer?
That might, hold on. You finish this up, I'm gonna do a little looky-loo.
Okay.
Okay.
You go do that.
Oh, excuse me.
5 minutes later.
So wait, Norris went and checked on the trees and they're really puffy, and
they're literally like this big. Like
I made Norris make his
yes.
Christmas ball or pizza balls bigger. So
yes, I don't even know how someone's gonna bite into it.
So maybe we'll have to use that as a learning.
Yeah.
We'll have to say, the concept is there. The concept is there.
It was insane.
Well, you know, maybe we just proofed the yeast so much that it was just in such a warm environment.
I literally thought there was a monster in the oven.
We'll have to go check.
I believe
All right.
we should.
Well, you'll be excited to see what they look like. We'll see you soon.
That was embarrassing.
They look gorgeous. Look at my black olives fell off though.
That's because they're gross.
Oh, it feels so good in front of this oven. Oh
Wait,
God.
those are huge.
They're awesome. Oh, Norris, you know what?
You can cook.
'Tis the season. We have our amazing Christmas trees. Like they said, they're pretty puffy,
They're pretty big.
but they're so fun. We are actually super thrilled with them, are we not? So the next thing we're gonna do, so there's a couple things that you can do. You can drizzle a little olive oil on top if you want to. We're gonna take a little basil chiffonade. Can you say that?
Chiffonade.
Chiffonade. And we're gonna sprinkle it on top. Okay, sprinkle a little, make it a little extra green. All right. Norris had a great idea that this would be a really great time if you had some warm marinara sauce as a side to dip it in. So it would make
or honey, hot honey.
Ooh, hot.
I know. Nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me.
There is usually a reason. And then we're going to sprinkle, make it snow a little bit more.
Make it rain.
Make it.
We got them apple bottom jeans with the boots.
All right.
Ooh,
That looks so good.
hell.
All right.
Ooh.
Okay, and I think we're going to take a bite, right?
I'm lactose intolerant.
Are we? I know you keep saying that, but once was funny, twice not so much. Look at how these pull apart.
Where the pepperonis at?
Just like that. They pull apart so perfectly. This would be a good spot to dip it in.
Yes. Do we have some?
No. We're okay, but it's a great idea. Next time. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.
Whoa. You're not ready for that? Excuse me, I'll take it from here.
Look at how fluffy and yummy.
It is really good. I haven't eaten carbs in like months.
Really delicious. Highly recommend. I think I like it better than pizza.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Well, it's crispier.
It is delicious.
It has a little crispiness to it.
Those small pepperonis do it all. Where do you get those from? Put it in the bio, okay?
I get it from the organic store, right?
Who?
Organic store.
That's the name of it?
Well, anyway, again, from the kitchen of cookies and cream, thank you for joining us. We hope you're inspired to make a Christmas tree or any sort of shape in pizza dough and have lots of fun, right?
Yep. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you next time.